Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can monetize Facebook Reels. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook, and you simply need to click on your profile picture, and here you can see a switch option. Switch to your Facebook page and click on your Facebook page on the top right, and click on your page here, and here you need to click on manage, and here you need to scroll down, and in tools you can see monetization. Click on that, and here you can see different options. You can monetize Facebook Reels with bonuses. So currently you can see that my page is ineligible, but if your page is eligible, you can see an option here like this, and you can click on that and you can monetize your Facebook Reels. So this is a process by which you can monetize your Facebook Reels. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.